This is an instructional video designed to show you how to properly assemble your 2.5-inch flat lay high-rise pack. You will need the following supplies: 2 50-foot sections of 2.5-inch hose and 2 green hose straps. Step 1. Unroll the 2 hose lines side by side, placing the female end of one hose beside the male end of the other hose. Step 2. Approach the line from the male coupling side. Step 3. Connect the male and female hose ends together. Step 4. Begin the flat lay by grabbing the hose about 40 inches from the coupling end. Step 5. Fold the hose back and forth until you have all of one section of hose stacked on top of itself. Remember to stagger the folds so the hose will lay as flat as possible. Step 6. Repeat steps 4 and 5 on the second section of hose. Step 7. Slide the strap under the hose so the metal loops on the strap are on the bottom and the reflective portion of the strap ends on the top of the pack with the couplings. It is beneficial if both couplings end on the same side of the hose line. This allows for easier deployment. During deployment, loosen the straps on the coupling end of the hose and connect packs together prior to removing all of the straps. A smaller line can also be connected to the nozzle for overhaul operations.